So we're harvesting mustard greens today to make some soup, and they're still very tender and young. Perfect time to harvest and make some soup with them.
One of the reasons I love having a backyard garden is that everything is grown organically and you can harvest them fresh, bring it right in, cook it up, and then enjoy healthy, delicious vegetables at home. There's so many different ways to prepare and cook Chinese mustard greens, but when they're young like this, I like to use them in soup. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and so easy to make. In a soup pot, add some ginger, chicken broth, water, and your cleaned Chinese mustard greens. Bring everything to a boil, and then I'm going to add some salted chicken eggs. Now we make our own salted chicken eggs, and you can find that recipe in my playlist. Once you've added the salted chicken egg to the soup, cover and boil until the mustard green softens to your likings, and then you can add a little bit of salt to taste. One of the reasons why we harvest some of the baby mustard greens is that we free up some room so that the other mustard greens can get nice and big, and then we pickle them. Yes, we actually preserve them, and we use that with our pork belly recipe. Super yummy.